Right, filming Zach. Right, what are we up to tonight?
Doing campfire.
Okay, who's with you? That lady.
They, Alan and
Alex. He's the burger judge. And what are these guys out there doing?
cooking all their burgers.
Okay, and what's your role been on this at this activity?
Helping.
Helping. That's right. Okay, and where can we show? Where is your trusty steed? Da 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 da. Can't really see it. It's totally dark. Okay. All right. What else are we going to say? Nothing really, eh?
Yep.
Anything interesting to say?
No.
Except we're freezing cold and we want to go home now.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So Zach, here we are now. Got a couple of friends. What's your name?
Keegan.
And
Damon.
okay. And
Anybody want a burger?
okay. Was your burger good?
Yep.
Was your burger good?
Yo.
All right.
Yo.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm shining the light in your eyes. Okay. Also, it's kind of good.